In the next video, you'll learn how to install your new Ultraloq U-bolt Wi-Fi. Please read the important notes before installing it. This is what is included in the box. For this step, you need to measure 4 parts of your door, which are thickness. Confirm that your door is between 1 3/8 inches to 1 3/4 inches thick. Diameter of the hole. This one should be 2 1/8 inches or 1 1/2 inches. The back set has to be either 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. And the last one. Confirm that the diameter of the hole in the door edge is 1 inch. There are 2 options of bolts that you can receive. If you have option A, make sure the bolt is retracted. Then twist it to your desired length and install it into the door, making sure the up icon faces up. If you have option B, introduce a flathead screwdriver into the T-shaped hole. Turn it left, the bolt will extend and you'll be able to twist it. After you have the length you need, with the help of the screwdriver, turn it right. The bolt will retract and you can install it into the door. If you want to use the previous length of the bolt, insert the screwdriver into the T-shaped hole and turn it left. The bolt will extend and you'll be able to twist it. Insert the screwdriver again and turn it right. The bolt will retract and you can install the bolt into the door, making sure the up icon faces up. Secure the deadbolt using screw C. Then please install the strike in the door frame. To install the exterior assembly, keep the tailpiece horizontal. This one goes through the middle hole and the cable goes through the gap below the bolt. To install the mounting plate, pass the cable through the bottom hole. The tailpiece goes through the middle one. Then secure the mounting plate using the screws D. When you're up to the middle of the first screw, start with the second one. This way you will have an easier installation. To install the interior assembly, first you need to remove the battery cover. Then, insert the connector of the cable to the socket on the interior assembly, with the small teeth facing up. Press the connector firmly until it is completely secured. After you connect the wire, align the tailpiece with the hole in the interior assembly. Then rotate the knob and keep it in a vertical position to stay unlocked. Put the wire inside the door to have a better installation. Attach the interior assembly to the mounting plate using screws E. To ensure your U-bolt Wi-Fi will open and close properly, rotate the knob a couple of times. The bolt should extend and retract smoothly. Then close the door and test it again. The movement should be smooth and the bolt should match the strike in the door frame. This step will teach your lock the orientation of your door and is crucial to the lock's operation. First, rotate the knob and keep it in a horizontal position to stay locked. The bolt will go out. Insert the 4 AA batteries. The red LED light will turn on, and you will hear a beep. Then install the battery cover. The door sensor should be mounted as close to the edge of your door frame and as close as possible to the bottom of the extended deadbolt. You can install the door sensor with the included sticker or with screw F. If you do it with the sticker, peel one side of it and push it against the door frame for about 10 seconds. Then peel off the other side. Place the door sensor and press it firmly. At last, put on the door sensor cover. To finish setting up your door sensor, please download the U-tec app and follow the instructions. Any code can unlock U-Bolt Wi-Fi in factory default mode. To unlock it, enter any code between 4 and 8 digits and press the Ultraloq button to unlock. To lock it, press again the Ultraloq button. To use the backup keys, insert the key and rotate to unlock, just like any lock. If you forget to lock your Ultraloq, by default it will auto-lock after 30 seconds. You're all set. To learn more about Ultraloq, please visit utec.com.